Guys doing today? Welcome to Crypto News. You guys are all asking exactly how to set up MetaMask. I've done a few tutorials linked with staking time and snow token, snowbank token. Don't confuse the two, trust me. So now I'm going to do a separate tutorial exactly how you can make these big bags of money. This is not financial advice, just walking you through steps into setting up a wallet and showing you exactly what I trade and what I'm doing. This should be fairly easy. I'm going to put all the codes in descriptions. Real quick though, press the like button, press the subscribe button. As soon as something new comes in, I post it up. Coins came in yesterday, 30 minutes as soon as they came. They got launched on CoinMarketCap. I announced them. I showed my position in them. Everything is completely, open, shown. Nothing here is edited. Everything is live, recorded, and sent out. So my mistakes if I stutter, my fault if I do anything that you don't like. But if you don't like it, you don't gotta watch it. But you do gotta hit that like button, so do it now. Thumbs up. Anyways, let's jump into this. So first thing you're gonna need to do is gonna download MetaMask. So do that in whatever way you have it. If you have an iPhone, do it from the App Store. If you have it from Android, do it from the Play Store. Once you have your MetaMask, let me just go back to the wallet. You're going to be automatically, you do all the combinations, you're going to do all the basic procedures of downloading MetaMask. You'll see it. What's going to happen is you're going to be inside of Ethereum like this. And that's not what you want to do because nobody wants to use these stupid Ethereum fees and pay for these. So we're going to link this up with Avalanche, and here's how you go about it. So I have it right over here because I already edited all the information, but here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna press these three lines to the left and you're gonna go to settings, you're gonna go to networks, and you're gonna press add network. And then you're gonna type in this information. I will put this information for you in the description. I'll also Google it and show you how I pulled it up so you know. But here's what it is. Let's see if it's saved on mine. Here's exactly what it is. If you want to take a quick look, take a look so you can copy it if you're that quick, that fast. There you go. And I will post this all up so you guys will be able to, once you guys edit that, you press add, you save the network after you added it. So add over here. Then you're going to go back and you're going to make sure you switch it to Avalanche mainnet, and then boom, you're into it. You guys can see my portfolio, exactly what I'm holding. PLT token. You'll see. Go see where it came out. I made a report on it. It's jumping up in value like crazy. These crashes that you're seeing right here is just a glitch in the wallet because of the service. Ignore it completely. The main idea of what I'm going to show you guys is how to buy these other tokens. This was actually done. We're set up 3 minutes. You guys set up the wallet. Like, it's really easy. But the main thing is what I'm looking for is to go here, Trader Joe, and buy myself some SB token. Right? That's what everybody wants. So look at these fees. Let's be SB token. Boom. Boom. So let's say I want to swap that out. I don't. Let's just in case do it. Right, I want to say swap. Let's say swap it out. Right, let's see how much I'm going to pay in fees. Confirm swap. Let's see these fees. Look at these gas fees. Oh wow, it's expensive. $2.04, but nothing compared to like paying $200 on the Ethereum. So scratch that. Something I want to update you because I know I'm doing this video mostly because everybody's asking because they want to stake SB token and they want to stake time. So I'm going to show you something. What people go on Trader Joe XYZ to buy all these tokens and then stake them. I'm going to show you a way you can make even more money doing this without doing this. I was against it at the beginning, but now I get the point. I'm actually going to walk you through the video and do it right now. Let's see this. So we're going to go to the website of where they actually sell that snow token. And I sold some of my time token right now, half the position right now, just to get in on more on this token. So let's see. So I'm hoping I get in on a good value. Of course not. They just dropped in value, 4.48% discount. So let's see. So this is minting. What I'm doing here is I'm minting. Minting instead of is a way of basically buying the currency. But they use this term to it means a lot. You go through the red paper, you'll see they're trying to stabilize meme token, and they're not trying to secure it by a dollar. So they're not selling you a dollar, you're minting it with other currency. So if I'm holding wrapped AVAX, you can use regular AVAX once you have it. It's not a problem. There's no difference whatsoever. Let's just reload this and see that everything is up to date. So the current price of sbtoken is 4,900. My initial position, I came in at 2,500, and let's see where it's holding now. So 42.99, and if I buy it from their network, I mint it, quote unquote, I get a discount, and my ROI is 4.73% in 5 days just on buying it. Now I'll accumulate more of the mint, but it's going to drip down within 5 days. So every hour they're going to release some of the mint, and then what I'm going to do is every 8 hours I'm going to redeem it, but instead of taking my wallet, I'm going to auto stake it. And then when I'm auto staking it, this is what it's going to look like. Take a look. This is what I initially started off with. You guys can take a look. My amount, and here's the current. Well, this is up in 3 days. You guys can track down the videos. It's completely insane. I didn't deposit any more money. This is just, I got in very low. The coin crashed at 2,500. It was a great buy. I wish I bought more, but I was very nervous. I thought this is full of crap. They're gonna pull the rug. But no, I don't think it's gonna happen. Not financial advice. Do your own risk. But I'm willing to gamble here. That's all this is really. There's a lot of reason why they're able to pay this kind of APY. I mean, look at this. By the way, they have this thing over here where you control in 30, 40, 60 days. You can see what you make. On my $300, I make 31,000 in 80 days. That's nuts. Let's see that happen. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mint some of this token in front of you guys, so you guys can get a little feel. So wrapped AVAX. Let's do this. Max amount. What's going on? Why won't it let me click it? There we go. No. Huh. Where's my wrapped AVAX? What happened? What just happened to it? Did it just disappear? Did I do something stupid? Alright, this is the danger of when you're doing cryptocurrency. It's always so scary in the beginning. Did I already do this? No, I didn't. Huh. Let's see what happened to my wrapped AVAX. Wallet. No, my wrapped AVAX is definitely... I don't see it here, but I definitely know I have it. Let me check back. It's in my wallet. I can see them because of the amount. But for some reason, it's not registering on the network. So this happens. These glitches are happening. I'm glad you guys get to see these glitches. Just reload it, and let's see what happens. Sometimes if you don't put in the MetaMask address for the token that you're holding, you won't see it in your wallet holdings. I didn't put in the wrapped AVAX address. I'll look it up later. I'll post it up if you guys want it. You don't really need to get wrapped AVAX. But what is up with that? Where is it? Super strange. Why isn't it appearing? There's definitely a glitch. Might be unfortunate. I won't be able to do it in this video, but you guys would get this gist. Minting is the way to go. In the end, what you're gonna end up doing is you're gonna redeem some of the token, and you're gonna redeem it every 8 hours, auto stake it, and make that crazy compounded interest of, let's see, what is it? What are they currently paying? 683,973 APY. Insane. Let me know what you guys think. You follow through, basically, through my old videos, you get a lot more detail. Good luck.